Hello and welcome to Dust Food and Barbecue. Today I'm going to make some chicken on the flowerpot grill, and I'm going to see how hot I'm going to get it. I'm going to bring the temp up high. I'm going to be using lump charcoal, and the charcoal I'm using today is Weber Premium Lump Wood Charcoal. It's going to be fun. Try it out. Never saw it before. These I've seen before, but I haven't seen them in a while, and now they were in the store, so I picked them up as well. Not a good price, but a fair price, I guess. I also insulated the pot. This is just aluminum foil, and it's filled with fiber, or whatever, insulation, glass insulation, and the grill is just resting on it, but it brings about 1/4 of an inch of insulation between the wood and the pot, and I think that should be enough to keep the heat out. I won't be using a deflector plate today. I'm just going to be using the grate as is, and I'm going to grill in the middle over the fire because I want the drippings from the chicken to drop down and then kind of give some taste to it. Anyway, I'll bring you back when it's time to put the chicken on. Of course, I need to light this up first. So I filled the chimney. It's got some pretty nice chunks. This is a huge piece. I've never really seen that big pieces of charcoal in a bag before here, so that's nice. I got some of those tumbleweed things, just lighting it up, and once this ash is over, it's time to remove the grate and put it all in there. Okay, I'll bring it back in a bit. There we go. I put some of them in there because it got a little bit too high, so let's put it to the test then. Okay, we got a fire. I'm gonna put the grate and lid on, and then we'll see what we can get this to steady out on. It's been around 410, 420 for a bit. It's 200 Celsius. I've got a little pouch with hickory pellets that I'm gonna put on the fire, and then I'm gonna be lazy today. I've got chicken legs. They're lemon and rosemary seasoned, so that's what we're gonna have. It doesn't have to be that fancy schmancy every day. Anyway, I'm just gonna rip the lid off this and put the pouch on there and put the chicken on. I actually put a couple of holes in that pouch just to let smoke escape. Otherwise it's just aluminum foil wrapped around some pellets. This smells good. So, chicken thighs, legs, what have you. Usually don't buy pre-marinated chicken, but it was what they had and it was fairly cheap. Funnily enough, seasoned or pre-marinated chicken is often cheaper than something else. Okay, there we go. So I'll put it just on top of the fire. Gonna put the lid back on, and hopefully this will cook up pretty quickly because we're getting hungry. Well, the pouch is releasing some smoke. Let's see what we have in here. Oh, look at that. Added some cabbage and a couple of poppers. The chicken is done. I temped it. It's 170, which I believe is perfect for this. So this is what we have. And with that, we're going to serve a little bit of cabbage and a popper, just like so. Everything cooked on the grill. Okay, I'm going to give this chicken a try, but first, some thoughts about the hot cook. I find it a little bit hard to get it over 415 degrees, so I think what I'm going to do is add another vent at some point if I ever want to go higher. I think this is actually high enough for what I usually cook, but anyway, could be good to be able to control it maybe up to 450 or something like that. Okay, let's try the chicken and cabbage. That turned out really well. And a popper. This is simple, just smoked Gouda. I think it's gonna be good. Nice and very hot. I'm going to enjoy this. Thank you for watching. Bye.